If you want to install MongoDB, so there are different editions are available. You should prefer Enterprise Edition. One more edition is available, Community Edition, but here we use Enterprise Edition. So first of all, you should install their executable file and go to the tab and type mongodb.com. Okay, so I'll show you the step-by-step process. First of all, go to mongodb.com and here these are some informations are given. Just click on try free. Okay, here at top right corner there is one button is given, try free. So click on try free. So this screen will come and from here go to on premises. Okay, because you want to use MongoDB locally. So in that case you should select this on premises. So select on premises and here you can see there are different versions are available and here the version first one is MongoDB Enterprise Server, then MongoDB Community Server, OOPS Manager, Enterprise Kubernetes Operator and Community Kubernetes Operator, but here we go for Enterprise Server. So click on Enterprise Server. Now here this side you can see which versions are available and from here you can download, but before starting download you should select from the drop down. First you select the version compatibility you should check. If you are using latest version of Windows like Windows 10, in that case you can go for 5.3, this current version also. But if you suppose you have Windows 8 and older version, so in Windows 8 the version 4.2, below 4.2 will be supported. Below 4.2 or 4.0, these are the versions supported by older versions of Windows operating. So here I have preferred to 4.2.7 and packages are available in the form of MSI, shell and zip. So MSI is preferable. You just click on download. So your MSI file will get downloaded. So here I will show you, I have already downloaded in my machine. So here you can see this is a downloaded version. Okay, MongoDB Win32 x64 Enterprise Windows, and here you can see the size of downloads is 331 MB. Okay, so here I have downloaded already. Just double click over it, so your installation will start. Actually already I have installed, but if you want to install, so this setup wizard will come. Just click on next, and in the next window it will ask, since it is already installed, so it is saying that change. Otherwise here the complete will come, complete button will come. So whether you want to install completely or customize. Okay, so since I have installed already, so that's why here these buttons have been changed. Here it is saying that change, repair, remove. Okay, but at that, if you installing first time, in that case this button will not be there. So here the step-by-step process if you follow, so it will be installed very within a very few steps you can install it. And after installing, in the C drive program files, one folder will get created. So here this folder will get created, and if you double click on it, MongoDB, inside MongoDB there is server folder. Inside server there is version 4.2, and here you can see the size. After installation the size is 1.43 GB. Click on 4.2, then here bin folder is there. Okay, so this is the main folder, bin, where you'll get all the executable which is called as application. MongoDB application is there inside bin folder. So double click on bin folder. So here you will get so many applications. So these two are important, Mongo and MongoD. So these are the actually just command, Mongo and MongoD, these are the command, and these commands need to be executed in command prompt so that you will get the MongoDB environment. So currently we are going to use the command prompt, which is not GUI, but MongoDB is also available in GUI form. So after installing MongoDB, you can also install their GUI version. So after using MongoDB, all the services will get executed. Okay, the environment will get created, followed by you have to execute Mongo command. Okay, I will show you where you have to execute in command prompt. So I will open the command prompt. This is the command prompt, and suppose you want to run command. I will go back to C drive, and suppose here I type MongoDB and press enter key. So you need to set the environment variable. How to set environment variable? To set the environment variable, this is the path. This path you have to copy, and this path you have to set to the environment variable. So where is the environment variable? For that you need to go to settings, property. Okay, this is the setting window. Here you just go through advanced system setting, and here the button is there, environment variable. Click on environment variable, and here just go to path, select path, and click on edit. So here you can see I have already set the path. So how to set the path? Just go to new. Okay, and here you can add it. Okay, here just you can paste it. But since already I have pasted it, okay, this is the path you can see, program files MongoDB server 4.2 bin. Okay, follow after that, after just pasting the path here, click on OK button. But since already I have pasted it, so then press OK button, click this OK button so that your things will be done. Okay, all OK buttons you have to press, otherwise your setting will not be saved. So this is the way you can set the path, and after setting the path you can run MongoDB directly from here. But before that, one more thing you have to do, that is before executing this command, okay, MongoDB command, you have to do one more thing. Go to your C drive, create folder data. Just right click over it, new and folder. Okay, one folder you have to create data. See here already I have created this folder today itself. Create folder data. Inside data folder, create one more folder called DB. This is required. Otherwise, your MongoDB will not work. It will give error message showing that you have not created folder data inside DB. So that kind of error message will come. So just create this folder, and if you run the MongoDB, after that you can see these are the file automatically will created. Okay, previously this folder is empty, but this file will get created. Here you can see this file created today itself. Okay, so this is the things you have to do inside C folder, inside C drive, create data, inside data, create DB folder, and remain folder empty. Followed by go to command prompt and type MongoDB and press enter key. Now here it will actually initiate all the services, okay, and here it will stop. So don't close this window, this command prompt window, keep it open, just minimize it and open another command prompt window, and here you type the next command. I will come out from here. Next command is Mongo. Command is Mongo. Both the command I have shown you. Here you can see this is the path, program files MongoDB server 4.2 bin. Inside bin, this is the command, okay, Mongo and MongoDB. MongoDB already we have executed. Now the next command you have to execute is Mongo. Only these two commands are required. So in the next window, since here you can see both the windows are open, so this is the first where we have typed MongoDB and this is Mongo. Now here enter the command. So now here your cursor is coming, and this is the command prompt for MongoDB. Okay, so here you can type, you can create database, you can store data, you can update, you can change data, you can select data. These things you can do here in this command prompt. Okay, so now here I will show you which are the databases are available. So since first of all you have to create database, and after that you can store the data. How to show the database? So the command is show dbs. Show dbs is the command. So it will show you the databases available. These databases are already created, admin, config and local. So here you can use command like use create one data my db. So now this database have been created. Again, if you type show dbs, so here you can see, okay, now this database you have opened, that is MyDB. So you can work with MyDB. So but these are the default database. So inside this database MyDB you can create more data tables. Now if you go to the documents, in that case it will show you here each and everything is mentioned here, which are the versions are available, and what is the installation methods. And here one more thing is there, which is called as Mongo SH. Mongo SH also you can install if suppose you want their shell, okay, Mongo shell. In that case you can install Mongo SH, you can install a Mongo SH also. Then virtualization is there, and install MongoDB Enterprise Edition. These are the procedure which already we have followed. This procedure already we have followed, and run the MongoDB installer. This is we have done. Now the first screen, if you start this setup, that means if you click on MSI file, okay, after downloading it, if you double click on .msi file, so then after that if you click on next, so this dialog box will come. So in this dialog box, this is the checkbox which is already checked, it will remain checked. So it is just install MongoDB as a service. So by default service will be also installed. If you don't want to install service, so just remove this check from the checkbox if you want, but you remain checked, that will be better. You remain checked it, this checkbox, and click on next button. So these are the things which is written over here, because it is asked account domain, account name, and account password. So remain as it is, don't do anything. And there is a data dictionary path and log dictionary path. Okay, so remain as it is, it will get created after you click on next, it will get created. Then install MongoDB Compass. So what about Compass? Compass is nothing but the GUI. So if you want GUI apart from this kind of shell, okay, here we are using command prompt, and we need to type command while using database, while creating and doing all these things. We need to type a command. If you don't want to type command, instead of that, if you want to use GUI, so in that case this Compass needs to be installed. So don't install Compass separately, but here one checkbox will be given. After you click on next button, here one dialog box will come, where there is one checkbox is there, where it will ask to install MongoDB Compass. So if you select that checkbox, so automatically the Compass will get installed.